we have a pan here, it's on. I've got this to about a medium to high heat. Fire a little bit of oil in. This lovely pan is non-stick, so I didn't really need the oil, but it's just in case everyone else's pans are slightly different. So we take a potato and smoked Stornoway Cheddar Terrine. And here you have 2 pieces. I'll be cooking 1, but you have 2, okay? So you see the layers of the potato that have been cooked slowly and the fantastic Stornoway smoked cheddar, okay? We're going to place this straight into the pan. Try and resist the temptation to move it around. We're not trying to toss this around. As that heats up, the starches will start to change and it'll become a little bit more fragile. In its current state, it's quite solid, but as it warms up, it'll start to loosen. So just be careful. We want a nice golden colour on every side. And I'll be using a little lifter to turn it. Also within here, we have our Celeriac spaghetti. I'm going to empty this out and place this onto our plate already. So I'm going to transfer the Celeriac spaghetti just into the little bowl, just for a little chef's tip. I've got a little pair of tweezers here. I don't use these for my eyebrows, as you can tell. I'm going to place this into the spaghetti and turn it round, just like normal spaghetti. The Celeriac twirls round, and when you place it onto the plate, it gives a bit of height, okay? Okay, just spinning round and round. If you don't have tweezers, you can use a fork. I find it a lot easier to use these though, okay? Just straight onto your plate, just making it look a little bit more attractive, a little bit more chefy. Staying on the starter, when you pan fry everything, not everything has to stay at the same high temperature. Lower the temperature, this will continue to cook. So I'm going to lift this up just so you can see the colour. See the colour there? Okay, it's starting to caramelise. I'm going to take it a wee bit further, but I don't have to do that quickly, okay? I'm doing that quite slowly. We have plenty of time, taking things nice and easy, okay? Staying on the starter, we have that fantastic black garlic emulsion that we mentioned earlier on. I'm going to spoon onto the plate. Now you can spoon it in any way, but we're going to add a little chefy touch with a flat palette knife and just smear it across the plate. After you spread the sauce onto the plate, give that a wipe, leave that to the side. We're still continuing to colour each side of this potato terrine. Crispier the better, my idea. It's almost like a square potato scone with cheese in it. Can't be anything better. So I'll remove this from the pan, just onto a little tray. What I'm going to do with some of the sauce, I'm going to spread it on top of the terrine. Black garlic also acts as a seasoning and a bit of glue, if you understand what I mean. We'll take this fantastic potato airbag, as it's actually called, and we'll tap it on top, okay? Covering the potato. The reason we do that with the crispy potato is for texture. We have the crispy potato on top, we have the intensely garlicky, salty, sweet puree underneath, and the smoked cheddar potato terrine. So it's got 3 different layers of texture and flavour. So that in itself is fantastic. That there is lovely. So I'm going to place this onto the plate now. And there